So yeah, what happens? It's a first session with you guys under this prepare and test program, right? So बीच में काफ़ी ब्रेक हो गया है, तो ये डिवाइसेस वगैरह थोड़े से अपनी जगह पे नहीं रहते हैं, तो somehow it got delayed, I guess some 10 minutes 13 minutes it got delayed, sorry for that. Yeah, so now first you start your questions, because here we have the mathematics optional, right? So here if you have the answers of those questions, then I guess there is nothing much to ask over the questions ka answer itself. There may be some peripheral things to discuss post test discussion mein, right? Yes, obviously we will discuss question by question, part by part, but that is the another phase. First I would like to know from your side, what do you expect from this discussion? What photo you have sent? Actually that I missed actually. So you can add 2.5 marks to your, who is that? Krishna Varshane. Actually thing is, we are in a flow, so sometimes let's say I see the first part of the question, then second part of the question, but you have written the equation of normal at the first instance, so maybe I missed that. That is my fault. So you can add it, 2.5 marks to that, not an issue. Pulukanta Reddy. How is the marking scheme, sir? I mean, how to enhance our answers to get high marks? Okay, fair. Fair. ठीक है. What about other doubts? Aditya Thakur. Okay, okay. ठीक है. Marking pattern, right? Divya Yadav. One or two weren't checked that were skipped or intended. Also in finding ABC values you checked it but no marks awarded. Divya Yadav. Okay. What we can do, I can go through your copy again, but sometime what happens ना, वो technically कुछ problem चल रहा है application पे, हमने अपना complaint raise किया हुआ है उनको, तो वो pages इधर उधर mismatch हो जा रहे हैं, मतलब जो sequence है ना वो that is being disturbed. So it might be possible कि suppose that at the first page half of the answer is given and the half of the answer is on the 10th page. So in my mind what is parallelly running ki okay, when the 10th page I got this answer, I'll check that. So maybe due to that shuffling, and some page got skipped, but okay, we can discuss over your copy again, no issue. Marking pattern, Krishna Vashre. Okay. Ayush Srivastav. How to choose which question to attempt? Okay. I attempted test in, I didn't recall basics, I was not able to do. Okay. Dipansha. But after 3-4 questions got blank out and unable to solve further. Okay, okay, fair. It happens. Dipansha Chaudhary. Nothing new in that. Marking pattern. Okay. Fair, fair. So one major discussion we have to go over the why I have set that marking pattern, right? And the second discussion, second point is, some people attempted only some special like specific segments, like calculus में differential integral they attempted, they didn't go for a vector, or they didn't go for the other part 3D or something like that. So yes, definitely that is a point of discussion. Tejas Desai, 2 questions missed out. Okay, so time management per we have to talk. Fair, fair. Okay, Aditya. Okay. How to balance GS maths? I have not taken GS coaching. Okay, Harshit. Fair. So these many questions I have. Let me answer those questions first, and then we will go for the other questions as well. Okay, now save your doubts with you. When I ask to put it again, you can let me discuss over the doubts which are arising here. So yes, regarding the leaderboard also I have conveyed to the staff. They are looking for the things. At the first instance I kept that private just because क्योंकि वो 3 idiot type का मतलब एक feeling रहती है, तो just to avoid that feeling कि किसी को किसी के marks क्यों पता चले, so that privacy was happening, but ultimately we will look for कि क्या करना है. Another option might be कि you people will have a seat over which 1 2 3 4 5 करके marks will be shown, not the names of the students. So I am planning over that. Definitely it will come out. No issue with that. Okay. Chalo. So the first doubt is over the because that should be see, for me as a teacher, how I set my principles based on my experiences over this mathematics journey, now I am telling you. Suppose that if you look over the एक डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल का एक क्वेश्चन था, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल पाई बाई 3 से पाई बाई 6, लाइक दैट. प्लीज लिसन माई वर्ड्स. इज द स्क्रीन क्लियर? मतलब वो दिख रहा है आपको? 100% स्टूडेंट्स ने इसको करेक्ट किया है. ठीक, 100% स्टूडेंट्स का रेशियो है इस क्वेश्चन के ऊपर. व्हाट हैपन्स? सो लेट्स से आई अवॉर्डेड 5.5 मार्क्स ओवर दैट. फेयर? बात को समझिए. व्हाट हैपन्स? फ्यू ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स मेंशन्ड लाइक कि we have used this property of definite integral. Some students mentioned this and some did not mention. Okay, what they did, they written the step, let's say pi by 3 to pi by 6 it was, and here whatever you have, let's say cos, so here they have written the expression like this, and denominator power and dx, means the property they are using that is logically shown over here. There are some students, they directly written in place of this, neither they have mentioned this property separately, nor they written the expression like this, they just went on this step. Okay, so properties of definite integral, those are not some questions from the Lagrange method of undetermined multiplier, so that people do not know. Every one of you know the answer. A person who is attempting the mains, everyone can write that answer. Okay, still it depends on the examiner's का mindset कि he or she might be affected by a good presentation like this, or he or she can deduct, let's say I did not deduct the mark as it was the test 1, so I rarely looked on the final answer. If you observe the test checked copies, I just observed how the conceptual clarity you have shown, how well you have presented your answer, and procedural you were correct or not. So rarely I was focused on the final answer or some calculation mistake at the last step. I didn't notice that. And it is intentionally done in the test 1. The reason is slowly I will develop those attributes in you. Let's say at the test 1, the simple message I gave you कि भाई whatever you are doing, the simple step, you must mention what you are doing actually. Some people written this property in the left out space. I didn't deduct the mark, but that is the wrong way. You should not use this left out space. So in the test 1, I didn't deduct the marks for this, but I mentioned in every copy, this is what you have to take care of. Okay. So when you will go in the next upcoming test, it might happen कि some student got the correct answer and they got 5 marks, and some student got 4.5 marks, and the highest marks 6 I will give. That will vary on upcoming tests, but it did not happen in the first test because I set it intentionally. Okay. So if you feel like कि sir, if I have attempted the question correctly, then why I should not be given 10 marks out of that, let's say 10 out of 10. So there are two processes. Suppose that, my dear fellow, I awarded you for this correct answer, correct presentation, well presentation, I given you 9 or 10 marks out of that. I will calculate, I will add all the marks found by you, achieved by you, then I will normalize those marks. So ultimately what will happen? That will become a Duckworth-Lewis method of the cricket, right? Then you will start asking, sir, मेरे को कैसे कट गया, मेरे को कैसे कट गया? Are you getting my point? So that normalization happens in the actual exam. So when you are writing the tests here, okay, so what I feel like कि the highest score, it should not cross out 200 in any of the case. In any of the scenario, in the test part, it should not cross 200, because till now the history of UPSC, it did not happen so. So as a human being, I will set my mindset like this. Suppose that in upcoming year you did fantabulous because you were so much prepared under this program that you did fantabulously well, and UPSC awarded you 410 mark. So as a teacher, after that result, it will become my new benchmark, because we cannot be god like. We set some parameters which are already have some evidences from the UPSC itself. So if you talk about normalization or why you are being awarded 5.5 or 9.5 kind of, so the reason I am telling you like this, कि ultimately no matter, let's say I have awarded you 250 marks, so by normalization it will be cut short to within the 200 range. अभी तक के यूपीएससी के एक्सपीरियंसेस जो एविडेंसेस दिखते हैं उनके बेस पर. So if it is a 15 marker question, I am telling you one example here. There was a question, the second thing, where you had a hemisphere or a sphere like, okay, you want n cap for this. So n cap is, let's say this is as grade s upon mod grade s. So ultimately it will happen 2x I cap 2y j cap plus 2z k cap divided by 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. So ultimately 2 come outside. So x upon a I cap plus y upon a j cap plus z upon a k cap, right? I guess majority of the students शायद एक कॉपी थी, अब मुझे नाम तो ऐसे याद नहीं है, एक कॉपी में फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, चूंकि इसका dx dy पे प्रोजेक्शन लिया हुआ था, सो यू पीपल डिड एन कैप डॉट के कैप. सो एन कैप डॉट के कैप ही मिसिंग था, देयर वॉज वन कॉपी. देख लेना किसकी कॉपी थी. देयर वर 4 to 5 कॉपीज जहां पे एन कैप डॉट के कैप का वैल्यू z लिया हुआ था. देयर वॉज 2 कॉपीज जहां पे एन कैप डॉट के कैप का वैल्यू जेड वाई ए लिया हुआ था. अभी नाउ यू पीपल टेल मी why this type of mistake happened. Means 4 different persons, how the 4 different persons can do such same mistake, that I want to know. मतलब they have written the grade like simple xi cap plus by j cap plus zk cap. So if it would be a equals 1, then the grade would be like this. If it is a here, so obviously a will come in the denominator. So how this mistake can happen by 4 to 5 persons, the same mistake? Even I was surprised with that. So please look for it कि टीचर ने क्या बोला था. ओके ओके, हाँ फेयर. तो जिन्होंने नहीं लिखा आई गॉट, पर मैंने अभी आपको टेस्ट 1 में बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं हुआ. आई वॉज नॉट सो स्ट्रिक्ट, राइट. It also might be possible कि in that procedural steps, just to motivate you, I would have awarded some marks. But the message was pretty clear कि out of this, how you have to think, please go by the model answer. That is how I was evaluating the copies. So if you are interested कि मेरे को 2 नंबर कम हो गया, 4 नंबर ज़्यादा हो गया, it does not hamper at all. It does not affect at all. Only see what are the comments given to you and how you have to work over that. Okay? इस वाले क्वेश्चन पे किसी को कुछ कहना है? Anyone wants to say something over this question? मतलब what you were thinking? It was just like a slip of mind or something like intentionally? Is everything fair? Are you getting the responses? Okay, okay, okay. So first point, मार्क्स के रिलेटेड आई गेस अभी कोई डाउट नहीं होगा आपको, ठीक है, कि मैं कैसे आपको तैयार करूंगा टिल योर मेंस 2026. ओके. Shudhanshu, yes, 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 that is the point I wanted to listen from you guys. I knew the answer, but I wanted to listen it from you guys. Okay, so this test is for that only. If I mentioned something, don't go by कि यार इस पे marks deduct हो गए. Don't think like that. Think in deep कि यार ऐसा हुआ क्यों? Parallelly, what was running into my mind? That is the part of process of this test, right? So marking pattern is okay. How it will be like moving on, that I have already told the thing. ये हो गया. One most common mistake I found is overwriting. In almost every copy, I found it. What it is? Let's say I wanted to write 3a square plus b cube upon a minus b ka power 5, and some by fault I written here b, but here should be c. So what people are doing, they are making it like this. Please raise your hand. How many? Please reply with yes or no. How many of you would have done it? Please reply with yes or no. Means if something wrong happened, if here it would be 23, 25, so what they are doing, just making it like this. So what should be the right way? Let's say 23 like by mistake written, you just cross it out केवल एक बार. और बहुत से लोग क्या करेंगे ना, इसको ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं. मतलब इसका क्या है, आप बच्चे हैं क्या, दूध पी दे, हाँ ऐसे बॉक्स कर रहे हैं, फिर ऐसे ऐसे पूरा कर रहे हैं उसको. मतलब इतना टाइम तुम्हारे पास कहाँ से आया, ये मुझे बता दो बस. हाउ यू गॉट दिस मच टाइम टू डू दिस मच ड्राइंग? If you, okay, if anything happened, wrongly attempted, you just cross by one line. Okay, suppose that you wanted to write 25 but 23 happened, just cross it and write like this. Game is over. That is the right way. Matlab it will not be looking awkward, and it will not be looking like what actually you want to do, how you are so much confused, the psychological setup, right? So although in every copy I mentioned it and what I meant by it, I made it very clear here. One more thing. Next is the most easy questions. Many students wrongly attempted, ठीक है, फिर क्या किया, रेक्टिफाई किया उन्होंने कि गलती हो गई, देन करेक्टेड. अब ये सब कलाकारी जो चल रही है, ये चल रही है स्पेस गिवन फॉर आंसर. बताओ कितने लोगों ने ये काम किया? And I am telling you why I caught this point, because in my first mains I myself did this blunder. Simple that indeterminate form का लिमिट वाला क्वेश्चन, एवरीवन नोज यार कि इसको क्या रफली ट्राई करना, ये तो हो ही जाएगा. उसको ट्राई कर दिया. अभी थोड़े स्टेप के बाद पता चला कि यार नहीं नहीं गड़बड़ हो रहा है. तो वाई आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस, मोस्ट इजी क्वेश्चन में ये पैटर्न देखा गया है. I shared you with my experience, and initially I was thinking only I am doing so, but when I evaluate copies I found 99% people are doing so. So what is the post test discussion suggestion for you? No matter how easy question it is, आपको क्या करना चाहिए, एक रफली ट्राई देना चाहिए, और एटलीस्ट मेंटल एक्सरसाइज जो है ना, दैट यू शुड डू रफली. एक्चुअल स्पेस में होता क्या है, अब आपने क्या किया, लेट्स से 70% ऑफ द स्पेस तो ये सब गुचुम 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 ये हो गया, ठीक है. 70% ऑफ द स्पेस यू हैव वेस्टेड. अभी नाउ व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, जस्ट यू आर डूइंग बॉक्स एंड स्मॉल स्मॉल लेटर्स यू आर राइटिंग, मतलब सो कंजस्टेड. It gives a negative impact. And believe me, when I am checking your copies in the actual exam, it hampers. Don't think it is mathematics. It hampers. Because psychologically, somewhere practically I am a human being, right? I want a person who is like, जो मेरी लाइफ को थोड़ा आसान रखे. I am talking about those senior professors, retired professors who are checking your copies. Is this message clear to all? ओवर राइटिंग वाला? Aditya Thakur. That is why we are under this prepare and test program. Suppose that this you are facing in the actual exam hall, then it becomes blunder. But it was the test one, so never be stressed. Enjoy that. Okay, somewhere I wasted it. In the next test, I will take care of it. In the next test, I will take care more of it. Then slowly you will be finding कि test by test you are becoming more efficient or more approachable towards the demand of exam. That is what the message behind this. No, Krishna Barshne. What I am saying, suppose that definite property, like property of definite integral, that was the question, right? Somewhere you can do the mental exercise, na? When you are doing the exercise, what question you will be attempting, during that only you can do bit mental exercise, ki okay, I'll go like this. Are you getting my point? I am not suggesting solving the answers roughly every time. Not at all. It is not possible practically. What I suggest is, if you come across any kind sort of confusion, go by the rough part. Go by the rough part turant. Don't do that exercise in the actual space as much as possible practically. Yes. So one thing I told you, in the test itself, please don't use these spaces जो left out spaces है, don't use those spaces. ठीक है? Some of the students use that, some of the students even written their part of the answer just by doing, after doing this desum, after doing this desum, they used this left out space. The reason is कि अब आंसर तो करना ही है. In the test one, I didn't cut the marks, but next test onwards it will start happening. Then the pattern of marking you will see different. ठीक है? So in every test I will be telling you those negatives, those pros and cons. ठीक? So this is what happening. One more thing I would like to tell you. हाँ, because of the left out space. आप में से काफ़ी लोग क्या गलती कर रहे हैं? The QAV I have shared for you, question का आंसर बुकलेट, you are not taking print out of that. There might be some reason, because some student told me कि he or she had to pay 350 for that printout. So he or she is using the rough pages or the blank pages for that. और one student shared with the, वो मार्केट में जो आते हैं ना यूपीएससी वाले पेजेस, उनमें उन्होंने अपने आंसर्स करके भेजा है. अभी व्हाट आई डिड, आई चेक्ड दोज आंसर्स, राइट. बट इससे पता प्रॉब्लम क्या होगी? यू विल नेवर एवर लर्न द स्पेस मैनेजमेंट. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड योर कंस्ट्रेंट, I understand the money plays an important role, but you have to understand on what cost. On what cost you are compromising with those 350 rupees. That skill which can be evolved over the test by test, you are planning कि I will implement it after the sectional test, I will implement in full length test. So the skill का 70% of the part may be developed there, but 30% of the part definitely you are gonna miss. And you will never realize it before the actual exam hall, कि what blunder you have done. So what I suggest you guys, please manage, see how you can manage that, but always try to attempt your test on the prescribed format. Are you getting my point? इफ़ यू फील लाइक कि इधर में उपेंद्र सर का नाम लिखा है, इधर माइंडसेट मेकर्स लिखा है, इससे मेरे को इरिटेशन हो रहा है, यू कैन आस्क फॉर ब्लैंक कॉपीज, बट बी इन द प्रेस्क्राइब्ड फॉर्मेट. Is that clear now? Many of the students did it, but okay. So test का ये हो गया. अभी I am coming on. No. That one page was provided intentionally. I am telling you why. Suppose that property of definite integral. I know the answer of this question can be described just in one page. In the official answer sheets, it will not happen so. After test 2-3 onwards, it will not happen so. But in the initial test, intentionally I did it just to make you feel कि भाई ये डिशुम नहीं करना है, ठीक है. आपको उस लेवल पे ले आना कि भाई आपको स्पेस ही नहीं देना उस चीज़ के लिए. और मार्क्स की बात करेंगे तो मार्क्स तो वेरी इसलिए करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, एवरी सब क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ 10 मार्क्स, ठीक है. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, these each question has 3 parts, ठीक है. each question has 3 parts. 2 questions will be of 15 marks and 1 question will be of 20 mark. That is the pattern for these tests. Usually it happens. In every test, I will float a very simple question, let's say for the 20 marks. A very simple question for the 20 marks. And sometimes it happens in the UPSC actual exam itself. The reason is to have that level playing field. समझ रहे हैं आप मेरी बात को? If you feel like everything was like at the मंगल ग्रह से आ रहा है पेपर में, you will not appreciate, you will not enjoy that. And due to that you will be under the stress. So sometimes to boost your morale, the paper is set like this. Divya Yadav, did you get it? And don't think why these practicals are being done. That is why this is the prepare and test program. Let's go through these exercises. And if you feel like in some question you got just one page is missing, and somehow you missed that one page, you can take other page. Let's say आपने थर्ड क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया है, उसका एक पेज यहाँ पे यूज़ कर लीजिए, क्या दिक्कत है. ब्लैंक वाला पेज होगा ना एक, उसको यहाँ यूज़ कर लीजिए. दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, बट एट दिस स्टेजेस वी विल डेवलप दीज स्किल्स. चलिए, so the next important task I was talking about, how to pick questions in test. मतलब किसको अटेम्प्ट करना है, राइट. What I suggest you, treat your test like actual exam, ठीक है. No compromise with that. It implies you have to go for achieving highest possible marks. It may sound a bit awkward कि सर हमें तो बताया गया टेस्ट में कठिन वाले क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करो ताकि पता चले तुमने क्या तैयार किया है, राइट. बट आई डोंट थिंक लाइक दिस. I don't think. Why this skill to be developed? Huh? What is the need of it? What I suggest is take the test as the actual exam. No second thought out of that. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्या करना है आपको, सपोज दैट इफ यू हैव अटेम्प्टेड द टेस्ट back to home, now analyze all questions properly, decode your strengths and weaknesses, right? What I found is in this test 1, what you people did is, suppose that if you have prepared differential calculus, integral calculus, you attempted that well, ठीक है. Suppose that if you didn't prepare Lagrange method of undetermined multiplier, people did not dare to touch that. Even it may be possible कि वो आसान question हो, but that exercise you should do at your home after the test. Here you will use your most strengths, ठीक है. Slowly it will become your habit, because in the actual UPSC exam, if you see, all questions will not be on tougher side. So you should develop a skill how to pick questions where you can deliver the best out of you. इसमें कोई second thought नहीं है मुझे. अभी यहाँ पे क्या होगा, we have set the test papers level wise, that is why. Let's say level 1 पे you may have कि you have mixed kind of questions. Level 2 पे you will have 4 topics, section A में 2 topics, section B में 2 topics, separately, completely. So you can pick कि जो मेरा strong part है उसको attempt कर दिया, you get the highest marks. Fair enough, not a problem at all, because that particular test is not there. I will consider from test 1 to the test 16. Okay, so in every of the test, how your graph is being, like it is monotonic or haphazard, based on those observations your skills will be evolving. ठीक है. Few people did not prepare few topics in the test 1. There might be different reasons, but what I suggest you, if it did not happen, don't worry about it. Just focus on the next test now, test 2. Suppose that there we have the topics linear algebra, dynamics, statics, and what is the other topic with that? 3D geometry. It was like, अभी क्या था अपने पास, differential, integral, vector, ODE. So linear, 3D geometry, and dynamics, statics. Fair? These 4 topics you have. What I suggest you, prepare for all the maximum possible topics for test 2. Learn from your mistakes, what you have done, what mistakes you have done before the test 1. कि okay, I'll be able to revise, but you will like you were not able to revise. So with the next set of days, you have to go for maximizing your revision. ठीक है. Suppose that practically it did not happen for the statics part. For example, I am saying 3D part, for example. Don't worry at all. Just keep on moving test by test. So after 4 tests of level 1, we will have full length test, right? So for full length test, suppose that at the test 1, level 1 preparation में you left out statics or partially or completely. Then for the full length test of paper 1, please take it in account कि अभी इसको पहले प्रायोरिटी पे करते हैं रिवाइज, फिर बाकी टॉपिक्स को सेट करते हैं. जैसे अभी किसी स्टूडेंट ने पूछा था कि वेक्टर कैलकुलस में अच्छा हो रहा है तो कैन आई स्किप फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. यस, नाउ यू कैन डाइवर्ट योर एनर्जी फॉर दैट. सपोज दैट इन पेपर 1 यू फुल लेंथ पेपर 1 यू कम अक्रॉस कि नहीं यार, आई वॉज ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट, आई डिड द ब्लंडर इन दिस. अगेन इट विल गिव यू चांस टू रिवाइज दैट. So this is the part of process. Don't think like कि I could not complete the syllabus, that is why I will not attempt the test. It is a wrong mindset. I am telling you, my dear fellows, it is a completely wrong mindset. Completeness will never you will feel. Never you will feel. So keep attempting tests, and I have designed the level wise tests. That is the beauty of this prepare and test, because that is why you are seeing now कि every second day, third day I ask you about update your status. update your revision status. Why it is happening so? The reason is it is not merely a test series kind of. It is something else. And now I am telling you, on an average, the result is people are getting 187 is the highest marks for the test 1, and on an average people are getting 140 marks. So with the marking pattern which I adopted, person who is getting 140 marks here, definitely he or she is near to 160-70 के बीच में in the actual exam. Got it? Get it? So if in the test 1 एंड आई वॉज पहले तो मैंने 2-3 कॉपी चेक किया, मुझे लगा कि 130, 136, 140, सो आई वॉज लाइक कि हाँ चलो यार ये 2-3 बच्चे अच्छे हैं, बट आई केप्ट ऑन चेकिंग द कॉपीज एंड आई वॉज लाइक कंप्लीटली ओवरवेल्म्ड कि रियली प्रिपेयर एंड टेस्ट प्रोग्राम के अंदर में यू पीपल लाइक टचवुड, यू पीपल आर वेरी गुड इन फैक्ट, टेलिंग यू ऑनेस्टली. Because in every copy I got some new energy. Here he is crossing 140, he or she is crossing 150, touching 150. So thing is, in the test 1 if it is happening, so I am telling you, once we finish the level 1, many of you will be evolved, promising you, that is, and that is my observation. ठीक है. So डिड यू गेट दिस पॉइंट? किसका क्वेश्चन था कि कितना अटेम्प्ट करना है, कैसे पिक करना है? डिड यू गेट योर आंसर? और क्या था? एनी अदर डाउट लेफ्ट? और कोई डाउट बचा है क्या? That is an important question. While revising the topics, we should focus on PYQs only. Revising topics. So focusing on PYQs mainly or new questions. That's a good question. C. Okay, Harshit, I'll come on that. What I suggest here, if you observe, suppose that one topic we take the 3D geometry, okay, upcoming test. Suppose that if you studied the chapter plane, ठीक है, so chapter wise PYQs are given to you. So when you revised your class notes or from the revision document, you come across these are the possible articles or possible dimensions of concepts out of this chapter. Now go and solve all the PYQs of that chapter. While solving the PYQs, don't think like कि ये तो मैं रट लूँगा, ये मैंने पहले किया था. Don't think like. Do the proper analysis. ठीक है? And suppose that time permits only to do this analysis with the PYQs only, fair enough. In the second level, when you will go, you will revise these quickly and you will attempt few new questions. So that is a process, step by step it will be moving on. So if you are doing this, not doing this, then confidence will not happen, energy may also be diverted. Is that clear, Aditya? No, no. What I said is, yes, you attempted those questions. Now it's about the time. Suppose that if you have 2 hours to revise the things, so you will prioritize this. Suppose that in 1 hour you did it, you are left with 1 hour, then go for those revision as well. But it should be going like this, here to here. Okay, and that is where the question comes with balancing with GS. Harshit. अभी देखो what I suggest you Harshit, I do not know before itself how much efforts you have put over the things, but on checking the copies, I'm confident about you guys कि the basics you people have done well. Now it comes on revision, right? What I suggest you, you should plan a proper strategy for you. Suppose that till December, what you want to go for, let's say answer writing, let's say GS, let's say GS4, let's say essay, ठीक है? You set your priority for that. Now, your targets are there already for mathematics optional. You have to attempt the test on the prescribed date. These are the topics to revise. Sir has told topic का revision, PYQs का analysis, that is the priority. Okay. Now you do your GS part. Suppose that still you are left with some time, you go for solving other new questions in maths. Otherwise, no need at this level. Just gradually go like this. In the second level, you will go for few new questions and you will increase the GS cup portion as like increasing. Got it, Harshit? And obviously there is no one frame answer for this. I hope you understand, right? Tejas Desai, time management. देखो, as I said, take your every test as actual exam. So obviously you had to try for the best. What I suggest you, set कि 2 hours 50 minutes say beyond I will not go. I will try to finish my copy just 15 minutes before 3 hours. ठीक है? And suppose that if you only could reach and in last 15 minutes you think one more question I can attempt, fair enough, attempt it. But don't go beyond 3 hours. Suppose that if you would have attempted only 2 questions, not an issue at all. Submit your copies, no problem at all, no problem. Believe me, if you are thinking कि मेरे marks leader board पे आएंगे तो मेरे को अच्छा बुरा feel होगा, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, because I am not gonna do that. I am trying to make sure चीज़ें sorted रहें, जिस motive के साथ में we have started this program, that should be fulfilled, right? So what I suggest you, never go for that kind of mindset. Keep attempting test. Suppose that in the test 1 this happened to you. Believe me, in the test, if 30% of this problem is not resolved, please do let me know. Automatically, even if you do not do anything, still it will be resolved, because that is part of process. If you are regularly in the process, your mindset is prepared like that, it is set like that कि अगली बार में ये वाली मिस्टेक नहीं करना है, कैलकुलेशन में ज़्यादा हो रहा है, लेट्स स्किप दिस, लेट्स गो फॉर द अदर क्वेश्चन. So that management is not something rules based. It is like got it, Tejas? And definitely it will happen like this. Definitely, believe me. नहीं तो after 4 tests we will talk again over the same question. Harshit, is self study sufficient or not, I can't comment over that question because it may vary individual to individual. So what I suggest you, on this Sunday, some 7 p.m. or 8 p.m., just leave me a message, sir, I want to talk. Let's discuss over a phone call. Let me understand your sides, what you have prepared by self study, what is the lacking, what is the strengths. Then only I can comment over that, because that can vary to other like individual. Okay, dears. Anyone else? Are you left with any doubt? Okay, Aditya. Okay, Ayush. What about other students? किसी का कोई डाउट रह गया है तो बोल सकते हैं. Okay. And even if I am not denying from the first test or next test, if you think like ki whatever the questions we have given, although few of the questions where I found it need to be discussed, I discussed. If you think like कि टेस्ट पेपर के क्वेश्चंस में भी कहीं कहीं कोई डाउट आ रहा है आफ्टर रीडिंग द मॉडल आंसर itself, even those we can discuss from the next test onwards. So that is part of discussion, no issue at all. Okay, Deepansha. Okay, Divya. Mahesh. Okay, Mahesh. Mahesh, please attempt the copy on the prescribed format. Okay. Don't use those pages because वो फिर पता नहीं चलेगा आपको. Ayush, what is? One more doubt ऊपर was there. Just let me check that. What is that? What should be our practice target for actual exam? Krishna Varshne. I'm not getting your point. What do you actually want to ask? Please make it clear more. आयुष श्रीवास्तव. नो, राइटिंग उतना मैटर नहीं करता है. ओनली थिंग इज वट एवर द पॉइंट्स आई हैव पॉइंटेड आउट हियर, ओवर राइटिंग, दैट डिशुम काइंड ऑफ, अवॉइड दैट. बाकी राइटिंग डज नॉट मैटर मच. But yeah, one thing I observe in the test as well, few people are doing like this. If they want to write the determinant, suppose that 3 by 3 ka, they are liking like this. What do you want to do with that, my dear fellow? Huh? This could be managed within this space itself. Why you are taking this much space? Please see किसका कॉपी था ये और किसका नहीं. कई बार हम इस हैबिट में होते हैं. प्लीज टेल मी, मतलब नो मैटर हाउ ओल्ड द सीनियर सिटीजन द एग्जामिनर इज, उसको ये दिखेगा नहीं क्या? Are you getting my point? So don't waste the time, don't waste the space. नहीं, हौच पौच अलग चीज़ है. नो नो, आई एम नॉट कमेंटिंग ऑन दैट. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, कई बार जैसे पहले मेरी भी आदत थी बड़ा लिखने की, ज़्यादा हद से ज़्यादा बड़ा लिखने की. थोड़ा सा उसको मैनेज करना है, थोड़ा सा. इफ़ इट कैन बी मैनेज्ड, इफ़ यू फील लाइक कि आपका कुछ स्पेस वेस्ट हो रहा है, तो वो स्पेस इस तरीके से मैनेज कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको लग रहा है वेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, फेयर एनफ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay, so I hope that's enough for the day. Most of the doubts I have cleared here. Krishna Varshne, abhi you are here at the Earth planet. Okay, so plan for maximum at the moon, maximum at the moon. not at the Mars. Okay. I hope you got the answer, right? What I am suggesting here is what I suggested during the discussion. You have to go for the maximum attempt in a manner you can get the maximum marks out of that. Test by test, you will come to realize what are your strengths and weaknesses. You will work over that. You will resolve those. Then we will set a parameter how we have to deliver in the actual exam. Okay. Are you getting my point? So here it is just sectional test. How we can relate it to the full length paper? Not possible at all. Are you getting my point? It is for revision purpose कि हर टॉपिक से we get our strengths and weaknesses. Right? And in the full length test we will observe कि अच्छा अभी एक्चुअल एग्जाम में इसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट मारना है. अभी तो पता चला डिफरेंशियल इंटीग्रल वेक्टर पढ़ के आपने 200 मार्क्स अचीव कर दिया, बट दैट विल नॉट हैपन इन द एक्चुअल एग्जाम, राइट? देयर विल बी 8 सब टॉपिक्स, differential integral vector and this OD, 3D linear dynamics statics. Chalo. I guess things are cleared for this post test discussion and slowly I am observing वो जो सैटरडे वाला सेशन है हाउ वी कैन प्लान दिस. अभी थोड़ा सा नहीं, थोड़ा स्लो चलना है हमें, बहुत जल्दबाजी में नहीं है हमें. ठीक है, आप रिवाइज कीजिए, टेस्ट दीजिए, उसके बाद में हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे, क्योंकि जब रिवीजन करने बैठेंगे यू हैव रिवीजन सेशंस एज वेल. यूज दोज रिवीजन सेशंस. ठीक है, ट्राई टू गेट योर पुल लाइक स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस, वर्क ओवर दैट, देन डेफिनेटली वी विल हैव डिस्कशन ओवर दैट. नहीं, सैटरडे वाला सेशन ये था कि हम लोग जनरली कभी, जैसे आप कुछ जीएस आंसर राइटिंग कर रहे हैं, आप कुछ एसए में कुछ सोच रहे हैं, जीएस 4 पे आपको मेरा गाइडेंस चाहिए, या सी सेट में कैसे हमें थोड़ा सा हम लोग साइड बाई चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ माई विश. आई विल इम्प्लीमेंट दैट अंडर दिस प्रिपेयर एंड टेस्ट प्रोग्राम. पर पहले मैं आपको एक लेवल पे लेकर आना चाहता हूँ कि आपका जो रिवीजन पार्ट है कहीं वही आपके लिए ओवरबर्डन ना बन रहा हो. So if I will start everything at one go, it will be very messy, right? So don't think like anything is skipped. Everything is pipeline, but I will implement at the appropriate times. So just have faith on my words and keep doing. No, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. GS4 में ये सब बिल्कुल नहीं. गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स एंड ऑल, नो. एग्जाम्पल्स की कमी पड़ गई है क्या? हैं? आई जस्ट गिव यू अ सिंपल कीवर्ड. आप अपने लॉजिक्स को सब्सटेंशिएट कीजिए उन थॉट्स से, उन बेसिक्स से विच आर वेल प्रूवन. आई एम रिपीटिंग माई वर्ड्स. इफ यू आर यूजिंग द साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट कैन बी लर्न फ्रॉम डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम. फंटेस्टिक. It is well proven. If you think like scientific temperament is to be learnt from some character of some movie Beautiful Mind, not the actual person, then it becomes baseless. It is useless. ठीक है? So I hope that will help you. बाकी कभी हम GS4 पे डिस्कस करेंगे तो that will be a separate session definitely. I will like figure out for things for you. Shall we end the session now? All are okay? नहीं, एग्जामिनर ने मूवी देखी हो तब भी उसका कोई सेंस नहीं है. नॉट एट ऑल. Okay, dears. And don't be like over motivated or demotivated from the tests. Just keep attempting. Wonders you will observe. I'm telling you. Okay. So that's enough from my side. Keep learning, keep smiling. Uh, I hope you will like keep on doing this. So that's enough from my side. And rest, still if you feel like if you want to go for this prepare and test program, so what I suggest you, uh, abhi we have a chance, we can start with the phase 2. So please leave your message over this number. Okay, and ask कि I want to go for prepare and test program, because this is not a test series kind of, because obviously if you want that only test series kind of, then it is everywhere available. But if you want you want to go with this plan, then obviously I will talk to you. I will try to know whether you can go with this flow or not. Then only you will be selected for this program and you will be allowed for that. Otherwise it is not open for all. So if you want to go for prepare and test, leave your message over this. You will be considered, you will be talked, you will be like, there will be call arranged with me, you will be asked ki हाँ भाई what you can do under that, then only it will be allowed. Okay, so yeah, that's enough from my side. Keep learning, keep smiling. Good luck.